It looks great, don't you think? The compact yet powerful robotic welding station, PEMA Skytrack. Designed and manufactured in Finland, but used in workshops all over the world. My name is Emilia, and I am happy that you have joined us for this walk-around video. During the next few minutes, you will discover what makes PEMA Skytrack truly a world-class solution in robotic welding and how it will transform your way to think manufacturing. On top of that, we will go through some of the key functions, benefits, and how it can improve also your business. Let's get started. As all of PEMA makes robotic welding stations, also PEMA Skytrack comes with the characteristic PEMA Blue. The station builds up on three main elements: the strong and solid frame, PEMA Skyhook welding precisioner, and robotic welding arm with MICMAC welding process. The standard equipment include power source from the world-leading power source providers, safety equipment, and light curtain. All this is integrated into highly capable solution. The footprint with the standard light curtain is 25 square meters and with the optional safety door 21 square meters. In addition to the small footprint, PEMA Skytrack is easy to move. It is transportable with a regular forklift and can be easily relocated according to your factory layout. No foundation is needed. And while the robot and positioner are one piece, no time-consuming calibration is needed after every transport. Just plug and weld. With PEMA Skytrack, everything is designed with the operator in mind to make the welding easy, efficient, and safe. One important feature is that the movements work in perfect synchronization. The robot welding arm and the plate work in perfect harmony. At the core of PEMA Skytrack is PEMA's in-house developed PEMA offline or optionally auto-scan software to enhance adaptivity in welding. Skytrack is an excellent investment for all future-looking companies. Whether you are about to take your first step into robotics or a big company planning to expand your manufacturing, this solution is for you. We hope you enjoyed this walk-around video. This is PEMA Skytrack.